assuming that you're searching for torrential slide cost expectations. Estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and certainly need to generally know where the costs of torrential slide will go from now on. We will generally break down the past costs of torrential slide and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to by and large take this expectation and each especially other expectation with the aim that this for the most part is just the idea of some market master, experts in every practical sense, significant way. Not to explicitly specify foreseeing something so wonderful truly is totally unthinkable. In any case, we will for the most part make an honest effort in an unobtrusive manner. We should begin in a sort of enormous manner. Torrential slide past value examination. As per the sort of the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of torrential slide really is $16.61 and AVAX is at present position number 16 in the by and large whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of torrential slide is 325,806,955 with a market cap of $5,411,254,992 or so they thought. In the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.25% in its ongoing worth in a by and large significant manner. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the AVAX with yesterday, you can really see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, or so they thought. Torrential slide is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The AVAX in every way that really matters is down to nearly 3.43% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could generally areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX in a real sense diminished by 17.941%, taking out an astounding normal amount of $3.63 from its ongoing worth in a significant manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a for the most part great in a real sense purchase a potential open door for speedy venture, or so they thought. The 90 days cost change is around 21.79% and the cost in every way that really matters, circled from a base essentially normal cost of $12.93 to greatest extremely normal cost of $13.50 in the beyond 90 days. In absolute most recent 4 months torrential slide has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. In this way, we believe that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period. As per the in every way that really matters, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost. The coin is up by 26.73% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin certainly was around $15.41 and the especially least most certainly normal cost of sort of was around $13.56 and truly beyond 4 months in a significant way. We anticipate future torrential slide cost expectations, a via X conjecture by applying in every way that really matters. Profound man-made consciousness helps specialized examination on the past value information of torrential slide. We give our all to really gather commonly greatest verifiable information for the AVAX coin which especially incorporate commonly numerous boundaries like past value, torrential slide market cap, torrential slide volume and hardly any more, which by and large is very huge. In the event that you truly are shifting focus over to sort of put resources into computerized digital currency and need great profit from kind of your ventures, generally make a point to peruse our expectations in every practical sense, significant way. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. The cost of one torrential slide is supposed to for the most part reach at least degree of $20.03 in 2023. The AVAX cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $23.23 with the typical cost of $20.79 all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide value forecast 2024. The cost of torrential slide is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach at least worth of $30.06 in 2024. The torrential slide cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $34.28 with the typical exchanging cost of $31.10 all through 2024. In an unpretentious manner, AVAX value estimate for 2025 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2025 the cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at least degree of $44.51. The AVAX cost can truly arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $51.10 with the truly normal exchanging cost of $46.07, which fundamentally is very critical. which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2026 torrential slide cost certainly is conjectured to in every practical sense arrive at a least conceivable degree of $65.09 in 2026 as opposed to mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $77.35 with the very normal figure cost of $66.94, which sort of is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2027 is per our for the most part profound specialized examination on past value information of a VAX. In 2027 the cost of torrential slide is estimated to basically be at around a kind of least worth of $92.04. Or so they thought. The torrential slide value worth can in every practical sense arrive at an especially limit of $109.36 with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of $95.38 in USD. Torrential slide value forecast 2028 is per our profound specialized examination on past value information of a VAX. In 2028 the cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $137.90. The AVAX cost can truly arrive at a most extreme degree of $162.70 with the typical exchanging cost of $142.67 in an unpretentious manner. Or so they fundamentally thought. Torrential slide value expectation 2029 according to the figure in specialized examination. In 2029 the cost of torrential slide is supposed to reach at least value worth of $197.61, which sort of is very critical. The AVAX cost can explicitly arrive at a greatest value worth of $241.75 with the essentially normal worth of $203.32. Torrential slide value conjecture 2030 the cost of torrential slide is certainly anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $296.93 in 2030 in a significant manner. The torrential slide cost can arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of $352.96 with the by and large normal cost of $307.10 all through 2030. Torrential slide value forecast 2031 the cost of torrential slide truly is for the most part anticipated to truly reach at least worth of $416.90 in 2031. Or so they thought. The torrential slide cost could in every practical sense arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $510.91 with the extremely normal exchanging cost of $429.19 all through 2031. Torrential slide value expectation 2032 torrential slide cost really is figured to for the most part arrive at a least conceivable degree of $594.41 in 2032, which is genuinely huge. According to our discoveries, the AVAX cost could arrive at a greatest genuinely conceivable degree of $711.35 with the typical gauge cost of $611.58, which is very huge. What will explicitly be the AVAX most noteworthy figure cost for 2023 in a significant manner? The AVAX cost is supposed to truly arrive at a greatest degree of $23.23 toward the finish of 2023